What is up guys, this is Karan here back with another video. Welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel, and in this video I'm gonna share with you some other cool MIUI 12 supported themes for your device. If you're using MIUI 11 or MIUI 12, I'm gonna share with you my just great themes with you which are just great looking in MIUI 12 running device. So let's get started. Let's check out which are those themes. Make sure to watch this video till the end to get to know that which are those themes. Let's get started. Okay, so these are the themes which I just wanna share with you. All these themes I have already downloaded on my device. These are the themes which you get in Chinese theme store for sure, but if you didn't find those, I'll provide you the MTZ file link in the description so that you can download and import them in the theme store. So which are those themes which I just want to share with you? Let's start with the first one. This is the theme which is Google Pixel 2. I just want to share with you this Google Pixel 2 theme. This theme does not have that much great things, but the status bar icons and these icons are looking good. So just apply this after importing it from your storage, and this is how your theme will look like. The theme looks pretty much impressive with the wallpaper. This is just great. If we talk about your quick settings, this is how your quick settings will look like. Little bit of theming available here, and if you talk about the home screen, you get all AOSP based room icons, or you can say icons from Pixel inspired theme. This is looking very much impressive for those if you want to use AOSP things or Pixel things in your Xiaomi running device. No other customizations, no other theming. Little bit of theming in settings also, which you can see. This is not that much great looking, but just for Pixel lovers, if you just want to try it out right now. So the second theme which I just want to share with you, as you can see, Yun Shen Knows No. As you can see the name, it's in just Chinese thing. I'll provide you the MTZ file link in the description so that you can import and apply into the theme store. And how this theme looks is just very much impressive. First of all, take a look at the status bar icons. These are looking very just unique. With the widget also looks nice, and with the home screen icons are small in size and looking pretty much impressive. This is a theme which I liked a lot because of the home screen, the status bar icons and the wallpaper. This looks very impressive for me till now. Talking about your dialer pad, this is how your dialer pad looks like. This is also kind of impressive thing, something interesting here. And move on to settings. We have just little bit of colors changed, no other things are available. There are no changes here. And talking about your control center, this is how little bit of colors are changed in your control center also. So moving on to the lock screen, as you can see it has live wallpaper, and as you can see it has text written like Tech Karan. This is the only thing which you can customize in the settings of this theme. Let me just tell you, when you go to settings here, this is the text which you can edit, Tech Karan, nothing else you can edit, because if you know Chinese then you can edit, and nonetheless you cannot do anything. The theme looks very much impressive. You should try out this theme at least once. Okay, let's move on to other theme right now, and the name, as you can see, is Pawel, and if you get it in the theme store then it's good, and if you don't get it you will get the MTZ file very sure. And after applying this theme, how this theme will look like, I'm just telling you, this is just one of the great themes ever I have used. Because of the home screen, the icons, and one of the coolest thing is this widget looks pretty much impressive. The status bar icon looks nice, your control center icons look nice. This is one of the great themes ever I have used. If we talk about your dialer pad, this is how your dialer pad look like. The previous one was also like this, and this one is also like that. And this is type of settings you get here. Little bit of dividers if you are getting. We have dividers available now, which I didn't got in previous themes, but this is one of the great themes ever. First of all, the widget at the home screen just look nice. You should try out this theme for sure, because this is one of the great themes ever. If we talk about the lock screen, this is how your lock screen will look like. The widget looks pretty much great, and all other things, it has swiping right, you get these kind of things. which are in Chinese, and when you click here you can launch the settings of this theme which are in Chinese too. So there's no motive of choosing these kind of settings because we don't know. These are the things you get here. And at last we have this another theme which called CC. This theme is also just great. Provide a link in the description, apply that. And why this theme looks great? Because of this look. It has great kind of widget option available here. The status bar icons look nice, the home screen icons look nice too. All these icons are themed here and working very nice, and including your control center, it has some themed icons like mobile data, your Wi-Fi, and your all other tiles also. This is also one of the highest customizable theme and good looking themed ever. If we talk about the settings, we have all the settings icons themed. If you are noticing, we have all these settings icons are themed. You should try out this theme because this theme is one of the great themes. If we talk about the dialer pad, that's also themed. This is also good looking, as you can see. Nothing else. These are all the themes which I just want to share with you. I hope you like it. The download link for all these themes in the description. So this was all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Have a nice day.